9 best practices to boost your immune system. We have a number of best practices that we strongly encourage you to follow to boost your immune system. These are all proven ways that you can develop the strongest possible immune system that will provide you with the maximum protection against disease. 1. Understand the benefits of a strong immune system. To make the necessary lifestyle changes that will result in a healthy immune system, it is essential that you understand the benefits that this will bring to you. Your immune system is vital for protecting you from disease, and it is very precious, so you need to do everything that you can to keep it strong. 2. Know what your immune system does and how it works. By knowing what your immune system does and how it works to protect you is important because it will motivate you to make the changes in your life that you know will make it stronger. Some of these changes will not be easy for you, but they will be worth it. You do not need to be a doctor to understand how it works. Just be aware of the innate and adaptive immune systems, as well as the role of your lymphatic system and how these all work together to protect you. 3. Avoid the things known to compromise your immune system. There are some things that you may be doing at the moment that will compromise your immune system and make it weaker. You want to avoid activities such as smoking and drinking alcohol to excess, as these will damage your immune system over time. Avoiding stress will certainly help to protect your immune system. These days, most people are leading a sedentary lifestyle, and this can harm your immune system as well. Eating the wrong foods and depriving yourself of the correct amount of sleep are also things to avoid. 4. Eat foods that boost your immune system. The food that you consume is vital for the state of your immune system. Your food provides you with the nutrients and antioxidants that your immune system needs to stay strong. Changing to a diet that has a high fruit and vegetable count is the right thing to do. Your diet needs to provide you with the right amount of vitamin C, D, and E, as well as selenium. These essential vitamins are not present in processed foods, so eliminate these from your diet. We understand that changing your diet is a big step to take, but you must do it for the sake of your immune system. 5. Take immune system boosting supplements. There are a variety of supplements available today that will help to strengthen your immune system. Look for supplements that are rich in the essential vitamins C, D, and E, as well as zinc and selenium. Black elderberry is something that you should look at, and so are medicinal mushrooms such as reishi and cordyceps. 6. Reduce stress to help your immune system. There's a great deal of evidence around that proves stress is bad for your immune system. You cannot completely eliminate stress, but you can do a lot to reduce it. A simple thing to do is to reduce the amount of caffeine, sugar, and white carbohydrates you consume. Mindfulness meditation is a great way to reduce stress because it forces you to live in the moment. It is not difficult to do and very effective. You can also take steps to develop a more positive outlook in your life, as negativity will increase stress. 7. Exercise and sleep well. Regular exercise is a great way to maintain a healthy immune system. If you are not exercising regularly right now, then you can start in a gentle way and gradually do more. Change your routine to get the right amount of sleep every night. You can establish a new schedule and trick your body into wanting to sleep at the same time each day. 8. Detoxify your body. When your body is clear of toxins, your immune system will be a lot more effective. This is because it can focus on detecting harmful pathogens and not have to contend with toxins as well. There are a number of methods that you can use to detoxify your body, such as drinking pure water, eating healthily, and breathing clean air. 9. Use essential oils to boost your immune system. Essential oils are not just there so that you can pamper yourself. Some of them contain characteristics that will help to boost your immune system, such as antiviral, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiseptic, and antifungal properties. The top essential oils are frankincense, eucalyptus, oregano, and thyme.